Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do multiple application at once. You can move your multiple application at once, and that thing you can try with your photos and all kind of files in iPhone. So save your time. So just press and hold when you go to the toggle mode. Just press select any app. Like I just selected Notes. So just keep tapping on it, and it will just come as a group. Now look at this, 7 application under my thumb, so I can just move anywhere. Let's say the next page, here and there. Let's put here again, and those are on the spot right there. So let's go to the photos and see if it works with that. So just select the one photos, press and hold, and then you can just keep tapping on the all other, and then those photos you can share with on your social media, on anywhere. You can put those photos and it will come here. So it's a very easy and a fast method. Look at this, all photos are here. So if you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.